Hi, this is Jose Manuel Diaz from Spotahome.com in Valencia. Today I'm gonna show you an apartment in the Fontanars Street in the neighborhood of Patraix. It's a very familiar neighborhood where you can find a lot of stores and supermarkets to live in Valencia. It's so close to the metro station of Patraix, and well, in 5 minutes you will be in the center of the city by this metro. And well, I'm gonna show you the apartment. It's an apartment of 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. And well, this is the bedroom number 1. And well, it has a double bed, sofa, a table with 2 chairs. Here is a wardrobe, a built-in wardrobe, a lot of storage. And these are the views. Views are to a park. And well, over here you have the bedroom number 2. It has a double bed, a sofa, a wardrobe, some storage, and the views are the same as in the other bedroom. And well, over here you have the bedroom number 3. Where you have a double bed, sofa, a table with 2 chairs, a big wardrobe, and a balcony to the same park. Here's 2 chairs and a table. Well, and here on the left you have the bathroom number 1. With a sink, a mirror, bath tube, bidet, and well, it's nice. In front of that bathroom you have the bathroom number 2, where you have a lot of storage, a sink, a mirror, bidet, and a bath tube. And here's the bedroom number 4. It's a very big bedroom. You have a double bed, some shelving, 2 wardrobes, chest of drawers, a table with 2 chairs, another table with 2 chairs, a coffee table, a sofa, and views to the street. And here you have another air conditioner. Well, and here on the right you have the kitchen. Kitchen with a fridge, with freezer, electrical stove, oven, a table with 3 chairs, 2 sinks, dishwasher, and a lot of storage. Some drawers for the kitchen stuff. And here you have the laundry, where you can find the washing machine and the electrical water heating. And well, that was all the video and the apartment. I hope you enjoy it. It was José Manuel Díaz from Spotahome, Valencia. Hasta la próxima.